Hey guys, welcome to this iPhone guide, and here I'll detail how to change 5G to 4G in iPhone. So if you want to stick to 4G or LTE on your iPhone, then you can easily switch back to 4G from 5G if your network provider supports 5G. And if you already turned on 5G, this might consume your data most compared to when you turned on 4G. So basically here I'll detail the best approach you can use to change from 5G to 4G network on any iPhone that supports 5G. So basically to do this, you need to use iPhone 12, iPhone 13, iPhone 14, iPhone 15, and iPhone 16 series. So once you have any of this device to change 5G to 4G, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings, and on the settings page, scroll down and click on mobile service or cellular service. Once you selected that, make sure mobile data is turned on. If mobile data is disabled, go ahead and turn this on. And then once you enable that, come here, tap mobile data options. Then here, under mobile data option, locate voice and data and click on that. Once you selected voice and data, you want to switch from either 5G auto or 5G on to LTE. And that's going to change from 5G to 4G on your iPhone. Then you can just hit the back button. So whether you're in an environment where there is 5G network or not, your iPhone will stick to 4G. So that is basically how to change 5G to 4G in iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.